नमः।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today we are going to discuss about a bot which is called Unlock Forever. As the name suggests, it is an unlocking bot of Telegram. This is one of the world's first bot which helps us to unlock the biased passwords as well as for extraction of the bin from the exe file, and also helps in patching method and also in keygen method. First we will start with the exe file feature of extraction of the bin. For that I am going to the first Acer part. This is the file which we have downloaded from the website. Now what I am going to do is I am just going to drag and drop this file here. This is the Acer first we are taking. This file is getting uploaded. Now it has been uploaded. Now the bot will accept the file. It will give you a command of processing and the file will be processed and you will receive a output file. The benefit of this particular point which is being added to the bot is that it saves your time. Taking tools, taking out the file, then doing it manually. You will get one file and then you can edit at the last manually. You have got the file which is being unpacked. Now I'll download it and show you what is this file. I'll extract to this folder. You can see over here, this is the file and you can see the size also, it is 4096. Okay, this is the 4 MB file which you have got just now, and I think so this is a completely working file. I'll check on the hex also. You can see this is a 4 MB file. If file is 4 MB and your main file is like 8 MB, so you have to do some editing, but you need to check what is the exact file with the help of the oldum. For this you need a oldum for comparison. Now we'll move to the next part, that is your Dell part. Drag and drop over here the Dell. Go back there. You can see that the file is getting uploaded right now. The file will go to process mode and you will receive a command saying that the file is being processed. You can see the file is being processed and the file was identified as Dell Incorporation. The bot is sending you a confirmation message. Now it will take its time to get uploaded. The file has been completed and sent back by the bot. Now you can just see the file is there. There will be a payload file, I think so, might be 9 MB, which you have to mod manually to get it to the working state. You can see over here we have got the data. This is a payload file 99216. This is 9 MB data. Rest you have to mod it. As I already told, those who are into the field of editing, they know what I'm trying to say. Now we'll move to the HP. I'll drag and drop this file. The file is being processed. As soon as the file will be processed, the same thing will take place. You will get a notification, the processing of the file, and it will send back you the extracted file back. In the future, more and more features will be added to this bot and you will receive many other new features which are going to come. This is a basic introduction to the bot. You can see the file has been uploaded now and it is under the process. You will get a message from the bot saying same that identification of the vendor and file is being processed. See, the file is being processed and the message is coming that it has been identified as HP bias. You can see the file is out now. We'll download the file first. Now the file you can extract over here. You can see a file is out, and you will see on the hex also. I'll show you. See, the file is out over here and the processed file is out. Now let's move to another, that is Lenovo. I'll drag and drop this file. The file is running. The file is running again. This is a Lenovo file. You will get the notification. You can see the file has been identified as Lenovo and the file is under process, and you will get a processed file back from the bot. Now let's download this file. I'll run to extract it. You can see two files are out over here, and one is 257, that is your I think so MEC file, and this is your BIOS file. You have to edit this file. I am repeating once again, you have to edit this file. This is not the final output files. You know what I am trying to say. Those who are into the field of BIOS editing, they can understand what I am trying to say. Now coming down to the Toshiba BIOS, this is a very special type of file which needs to be extracted from the command prompt first. For that we have to run cmd command. Then we have to first extract this file. Okay, now I am going to first set the command for this and bring it to the folder. I am bringing it to the folder. After bringing it to the folder, I have to extract this file first. Extract I have to type. So I have to type extract, and you will see a new folder out. It will run. See, a new folder has came over here after the extraction. From here we have to get the com file. Okay, the com file will help us to get the bin out of it. You can see this is the com file. This is the bio 009ft is the com file. Now I have to extract this com file first, then drag and drop this. This will give us the bin file. You can see the file is getting uploaded. The file has been uploaded. Now you will get the command from the bot that file is under process, as well as its identification also comes, as the bot understands which file is this, of which brand. See, it is identified as Toshiba. You can see over here Toshiba, it has been identified, and the file is under process. As soon as the process is complete, you can see the file is uploaded by the bot to us. Now we'll see what is inside the file. I'll extract it to the folder. You can see over here, I'll extract this file, and this is the file. We have got a 5.62 MB. This is the file which we have got. Now we have to edit this file and get the BIOS out of it. This is the file. So the BIOS is inside this file only. You can see. Again I am repeating, those who are into the field of BIOS editing, they know the rest process. But before this also we have to do many process to get this particular files. Now this bot has made our work very easier to get or to extract the main outcome of the files, that is the bin files, from which we can do our modding work faster. We don't need to do many other tools or softwares. We can just use the bot and do our work more faster. The bot is saving our time. That is the benefit over here. Now, from here I complete with the part of bias extraction. I complete with this part over here. Now in the next I'll move to the information which we can get from the bot of the bias file. How we can get that information? So I'll upload two files, HP and Lenovo, for the demonstration how you get the files. Okay. Now you can see over here I have copied one elite book bin. Now I don't know what is the model number, what is the detail of the bin. What I'm going to do is I am just going to edit the name of this particular file, that is info. After doing this, I have to just drag and drop this file over here in the bot. Now what this info will do, this is an info command to the bot to take out the information and give the information about the file to us. We don't know what is the name of the bin file, and I have just changed the name. The extension, or you can say the starting name, will be info, info. It should be in small letter. Info you have to just type, and remember in the bot don't use space, use underscore to write the further names. Like I have used info underscore elite book, you can write info underscore HP, something like that. It's your choice. After doing this, you have to just upload the file to the bot. The bot will analyze the file and will try to give you the information related to this file. Let's see how the informations are out here. The bot is running. You can see over here the file has been processed, is under processing. The identification is also done, that is it is HP file. Now let's see what the information bot gave us. You can see it is elite book folio 9470M. The serial number is over here, MAC number, SKU number, and you can say this COA is nothing but your file has the information about the Windows key. It also gives out over here. So this is how it works for giving you the information. So here I complete with the information topic, that is info topic. So the file gives you the information, this bot, so the bot gives you the information about the file which you have uploaded. You have to add the word info before the file read starts. Now we will move to the keygen part. This bot gives you the keygen. Like if you want the Sony OTP or Dell OTP or Acer OTP, we have an example over here. You have to just write \Dell key with the key number and with the extension. You can see BF97 or 3A5B, 1F5A. These are the extension you can see over here. This all are the extension. I am taking an example of BF97. So here I copy this and just paste it over here. Now the bot will in return give me the codes to enter, and in this you have to after you enter the code, you have to type control plus enter. So you can see this is the code over here which has came. Just you have to type the exact code and your job will be done. Now next, moving to the Sony key. You can see here Sony key. I am just copying this and pasting it over here. You will get again the code generated from the bot. For the Sony key, you can see the challenge code is here. you have to write this code here, OTP, what you say, OTP, and your job will be done. Similarly, it applies to the Acer also. And you will get the code. Just type the code, your job will be done. There are many other features which will be added to the bot in the near future. This is the basic functionality of the bot. Now coming down to another part that is very important and the most advanced feature which has been added to this bot is unlocking of the Lenovo BIOS passwords, as well as for those Dell passwords which don't have the keygen available, you can use this bot to get it unlocked. The next is Apple BIOS passwords, or you call it Apple locks, which are there. This bot also helps you to unlock the Apple laptops. HP BIOS passwords can also be unlocked from the bot, as well as the Panasonics. Last but not the least, the most important feature is the HP MPM mode unlocking, which can be done from the bot very easily. I'll cover all the topics one by one. I'll start with the Lenovo first. So you can see over here, I have copied one bin file over here, named of Lenovo underscore T560. Okay. Now this is T560 model bin file, which is password lock. So you have to keep in mind, if you are going for Lenovo unlocking, you have to keep the extension as Lenovo underscore whatever your name is. Put it into the RAR, and inside file also should be same name. Okay, the file name should be same. The file name should be same. Inside also the file name should be same. So what I am going to do is I am just going to drag and drop this file to here, the bottom. The benefit of keeping it into the compressed mode or RAR mode or WinZip is that the size becomes small and it is easier for us to upload the file. You can see the file is being uploaded to the bot. The file has been successfully unpacked. Now process of patching is taking place. As soon as the process has been complete, you will receive a message. Suppose there was some issue with my file, so you have got the error message over here. That is the plus point. This helped me to understand what is the actual issue. So after reading this, I find that there is some issue with my file, so I'm going to take another file again. So this is also one of the feature of the bot. If your file is not proper, you will get an error message that your file have some problem, kindly rectify it and re-upload it. So I'm going to get a new file and upload it. So I'm taking an example of Lenovo Yoga 370 over here. I'm going to drag and drop this file as well. The file is getting uploaded. As soon as the file gets uploaded, again you will receive the messages from the bot of the processing. The file is unpacked and is under process. We have got the message from the bot. The file has been processed. Now please wait for the file to be uploaded. You can see the bot is sending the file back. You will receive two files, one with the information and one with the patched file. You can see you have received the file and you've received the information as well. I'll open this on the WordPad. You can see the COK number is over here in this particular file. This is the ME version. This is Lenovo ThinkPad 370 model. So this is the detail of the file. Now when you flash this file, you also need a hardware. You will generate a hardware ID, and now you have to unlock that password. You need a key. For that you have to type \Lenovo key. Then you have to type the number, whatsoever you have the number. Like example I am taking. You have 6-digit number, so you have to type that. In return, bot will give you the codes, and for this bot will charge you some credits. That is 4 credit it will charge you. You can see bot is charging you the credit. Okay. And you have got the key over here. You can just type the key and get your laptop unlocked. Now moving to the next feature of HP unlocking. Here previously we have added info. Now what I am really going to add is, I am going to add just HP over here. I'm going to re-upload the file, but before that I like to show you. I'll add to the compress form, that WinRAR form, and then upload it to make it smaller. Now info gives you the information. Lenovo key will give you the code. If you write the file, if you want the patched file for Lenovo, you have to write the Lenovo and upload the file. So you should keep this command in mind. You should keep the command in mind, the command which I am explaining, so that you can use this bot easily. You can see the file is under process. The bot is sending us the file back. Meanwhile, I'll show you one thing. This is the patched file. You will send the normal file, but you will receive with the extension of patch. That means it has been patched. Okay. You have got the file from the bot, and you have used one more credit over here. As this service is not free to the bot, so it has been charged. You can see the details are over here. I've already shown you that, and you can just you can just download all the files from the bot and just flash it to your laptop. Your password will go confirm. See, it has been patched. One more thing I would like to show you, HP MPM unlocking process. You have to just type over here HP MPM and just drag and drop. Same applies to the Panasonic also. You have to just change the extension of file to the Panasonic underscore what is the model number and just upload to the bot. Your job will be done. Flash that file, the password will go. HP MPM will help you to unlock your manufacturing programming mode. That will help you to use the DMI tool to enter the information which get missed from the laptop. Unless and until your HP MPM is unlocked, you can't use the DMI tool. You will get a message over every time that your manufacturing mode is in locked mode. The file is getting uploaded. It's being uploaded now. The file is under process. The file has processed. Now it will upload me back the file with an unlock mode. Okay, the file has been uploaded and 2 credits are used over here, and our file is now with MPM Unlock. Now I am copying the Apple BIOS and show you how the Apple unlocking takes place. So I am copying the Apple file over here. This is our Apple file. The extension, the name should start with the Apple. Okay, so the bot will understand that this is for Apple. Now we have to just drag and drop this file over here. This is 8 MB file. The file is being uploaded. Now it will take the processing time. The file is under process. The file was processed and we are waiting for the file to get uploaded. You can see the file has been uploaded after patching. So this is how you can unlock your Apple BIOS password. So I have covered all the features over here for the Unlock Forever bot. This is the basic features, functionalities which have been covered under this bot. First was the extraction feature, second was the info feature, third was the keygen feature, fourth was the unlock feature, and last but not least it was the MPM feature. From here I conclude with the video. I hope you have understood the overview of the bot. What are the basic functionalities, features, how you can use the bot. Everything is being explained on this video. In future, many other features are being added to the bot. This is just a starting, or you can say the initial stage, which has been created inside the bot. Hope you like the channel. Do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.